Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So here in this video we are going to discuss about the underground metal mining method. So in first class or in this video we are know about the general layout. What is the layout, general layout of underground metal mining? What are the basic terminology that is generally used in underground metal, and what is the access, how we can access into the underground mine. So these are the basic things, and what are the basic fundamental which generally basically used in underground metal mining. We are going to discuss here. So let us start. First we are just see the picture. It is a basic layout and mark what are the point, that is a basic term generally used in this. So look at the picture and I will go to the next presentation. So just see the picture. Underground mining terminology. Here we can see there was a ore deposit. So we can access, we know that we can access that ore deposit via, we can edit or in tunnel or in vertical shaft. So basically these are the access, how we can access the ore body. So in one by one we are going to discuss in the next slide. Just see the figure and just what are the term here. Just see incline, what is incline, what is edit, tunnel, what is ore body, and what is stope. What do you mean by stope? What is drift? What is cage? And what is shaft? What is range, winch? So basically these are the terminology. These are the terminology that generally used, and basically this has to be known. So in this manner we can study one by one. So let's go to the main topic. So first we are discuss access, how to access for underground working and underground mines. What are the medium or what are the roadway, we can say, कैसे हम अंडरग्राउंड माइंस को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं और कैसे हम पहुंच सकते हैं और डिपॉजिट तक, उसको हम देखेंगे. व्हाट आर द एक्सेस. सो लेट्स गो टू द स्क्रीन. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू फर्स्ट डिस्कस what are the mode of entry for a underground mine. So first is edit, second one is incline shaft, third one is vertical shaft. So where you can apply edit when the ore body concealed above the ground. जो केसेस में ओर डिपोजिट हम लोग का एबव ग्राउंड होता है, वो केसेस में हम एडिट के थ्रू एंट्री करते हैं. ये तो हो गया पहला बात. सेकंड केसेस में क्या है, इंक्लाइन कौन सा केसेस में करेंगे, जहां पे ना वर्टिकल शाफ्ट होगा ना हॉरिजॉन्टल शाफ्ट जिसको हम एडिट बोलते हैं, वो नहीं होगा. और सेकेंडली वो कहां पे, वो क्या होगा, हम लोग का बिलो ग्राउंड में होगा बट नियरर टू दी सरफेस. वो केसेस में हम इंक्लाइन करेंगे. थर्ड वन जो है हम लोग का वर्टिकल शाफ्ट. तो जनरली ये मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में यूज होता है और हम वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड जाएंगे बॉटम, फ्रॉम द टॉप टू बॉटम, और उसको एक्सकावेट करेंगे ओर एंड मिनरल को. तो जनरली इसको हम समझ सकते हैं क्या कि जो केसेस में हम इंक्लाइन शाफ्ट वो क्या कर रहे थे कि नियरर टू दी सरफेस था, किंतु ये थोड़ा डीपर होगा. तो डीप जहां पे रहेगा वो डिपॉजिट, वो केसेस में हम वर्टिकली एंट्री करेंगे माइंस को, एंड देन वो डिपॉजिट को हम एक्सकावेटेड करेंगे. तो इस केसेस में हम डिफरेंट टाइप का हो सकता है. कोल भी हम कर सकते हैं, एंड मेटल भी, उधर जो भी मेटल है, क्रोमाइट हो गया या अदर जो भी मेटल है, उसको भी हम एक्सकावेट करेंगे. ओके, तो ये हो गया हम लोग का मोड ऑफ एंट्री. Now we are going to discuss different terminology. that are basically used in underground mines. One by one we are going to discuss. अभी हम टर्मिनोलॉजी को देखेंगे जो जनरली बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और वो हर केसेस में कोई भी मेटल का कोई भी चीज आपको पढ़ाई करना है तो ये टर्मिनोलॉजी और बेसिक डेफिनेशन जिसको बोलते हैं फंडामेंटल, ये आपको निहायत ही जानना जरूरी है. So well, what is strata? Generally strata is the rock bed which has some specific color, texture and some mineral, which having some mineral within it is known as strata. So in our mines there are different type of strata we generally found which are having specified color and texture, and approx you can see in this picture also there has some specific color and texture. The next is the ore body. What is ore body? Ore body is generally a mass and which is a connected mass of ore in a vein or in a deposit. It is a uniform deposit which is found in mine generally and which is suitable for mining. So we can say ore is a connected mass or ore body of ore generally found in a mine and suitable for a mine. Okay, next one is overburden. Generally overburden is the rock or soil layer that need to be removed to access mine out some ore or mineral. Or overburden is also refer to the spoil and waste or waste, we can say waste. Sometimes it is called subsoil. So generally overburden, first we remove the overburden to find the ore deposit. So this is called overburden. Generally a rock or soil layer that need to be removed. The next one is the head frame. What is generally head frame? Head frame is generally a structural frame which is in above ground of a mine shaft, from which you can go down to the mines, both machinery, person and also materials. So it is a hosting, it's support hosting. So you can call is a head frame. So head frame is generally a structural frame and which is situated in underground mine shaft for hosting of machinery, personnel and material. So what is cage? Cage is a elevator generally that transport man and material from the banking level to the down or the shaft bottom, or it is the medium generally where man and material can be transported. Okay. Then next is drift. What is drift? Drift is generally a drivage which is made in the rock mass across the ore deposit. It's called drift. Generally from shaft to the ore deposit we can drive or drivage made across the rock to access the ore deposit. So what is hanging wall? Hanging wall is the wall or strata where resting the ore body, or the strata resting on ore body, each known as hanging wall. Similarly, what is footwall? The strata which the ore body is resting. It is a strata where the ore body is resting. Clearly you can see in the picture the ore or vein along the fault. Generally just see the picture. The hanging wall is resting on the ore body and the ore body is resting on the footwall. So you can know the hang wall is means the strata resting on the ore body and footwall is this. Next is the cross cut. What is cross cut? It is generally a horizontal drivage from shaft to the or passage to the shaft through the country rock in order to cut across the vein in some angle to the strike. Generally cross cut is used for haulage, ventilation, transportation and other Okay. Next is the main label. What is main label? It is generally a label which is known as haulage label and used for the transport of ore. From the main label we can derive so many different label, that is known as sub label. So generally in main label the haulage, it is called a haulage label, and here the transportation is done. Next is the raise and winch. What is the raise? Raise is a drivage which is done upward direction from lower main level to upper level to meet the upper level. And what is winch? Winch generally is the downward drivage from upper main level to lower main level where you can access. So it is basically, we can say that stope. So stope is generally a solid ore block or ore pillar which is under extraction, is known as stope. Look at the picture here. Initially the first stope is mined out, then some other stope are in development or producing stope. So we can say that the solid block or ore block which is under extraction in underground mine, in underground metal mines, generally refer as a stope. Okay. The next come to the ore pass. What is a ore pass? From upper level to lower level a passage is done which is in vertical or in an inclined underground passage, generally downward movement of ore by gravity. So it is a drivage done inclined, it may be inclined or vertical, for the passage of ore by gravity. Next is the ore bin. It is a temporary storage of broken ore which is situated near the shaft at the lower level in underground mine, is called ore bin. All about this video. I hope you like the video. आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों को शेयर कीजिए। तो मिलते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।